Bhavnagar's rich artistic heritage comes alive in Baroda as Dr. Geeta Sheth Bhatt at the Warsaw Charitable Trust present a unique 2-day exhibition showcasing the paintings of 5 generations of renowned Bhavnagari artists at the Faculty of Fine Arts on the 25th and the 26th of November. The show was inaugurated by Srimati Tejal Amin along with Sri Jyoti Bhai Bhatt, Sri Anil Relia, and Dr. Geeta Sheth Bhatt.
Well, thank you so much for being here. I'm Geeta, and I would say an art lover. Art in any form, beauty in any form fascinates me. At the same time, my birthplace, Bhavnagar, is very, very dear to me. So, uh, as I love and art and artists, somewhere I before almost 50 years, I started collecting the paintings of the artists who lived and worked in Bhavnagar. And this exhibition is the result of that passion and also a feeling that like other well-known artists, the Bhavnagari artists did not get a chance to have success. I mean, what the world calls success or prosperity. So here is my homage to those artists who work in a lonely, in a small corner of the world and still created exquisite paintings and art of beauty.
At a time when modernism and abstract art dominate the Indian art scene, this exhibition celebrates the deep rooted tradition of realism and figurative expression carried forward in Bhavnagar since the time of Kalaguru Ravi Shankar Raval.
I'm Tejal Amin. I'm very happy to be here at Maru Bhavenu, an exhibition organized by the Warsaw Trust. It is the personal collection of Warsaw chairperson and Geeta Ben, who has collected these artworks during her years in Bhavnagar, and almost all the artworks have some personal story connected with her. We also get to see some unseen works lent by the Lalit Kala Academy, Jyotibhai's works. There were just a few artists like who are known to us. Today we get to see 11 artists of Bhavnagar, and the beautiful work, the depth of art that was prevalent there, and we as Barodians, we as Gujaratis are so proud of this legacy. I hope that all Barodians, all art lovers visit this exhibition at the Fine Arts Faculty's Exhibition Hall and partake of this beautiful feast that has been laid out for us.
Influenced by Shantiniketan, Saurashtra's folk traditions, and timeless Indian epics, these artists have preserved a unique visual language through an unbroken Guru Shishya tradition. The exhibition features works by Kalaguru Ravi Shankar Raval, Somala Shah, Kumar Mangal Singh Ji, Khodidas Bhai Parmar, Jyoti Bhai Bhatt, Vinay Trivedi, Ramesh Rathore, Chandrakant Jamod, Bharat Pandya, Ashok Patel, and Bhavesh Zala, offering audiences a rare chance to experience the beauty and grace of Bhavnagar's figurative art tradition.
Hi, I'm Nandita Amin. I am an architect by profession, but I have studied in the Faculty of Fine Arts in 1973 for 1 year. And today's show is something exceptional because we've never had a chance like this to see so many Bhavnagari artists under one roof. And Geeta Ben's collection over 45, 50 years is just amazing. I had heard of 2 or 3 artists, but All the others are a revelation to me, and what beautiful work. And Chandrakant Jamod, I'm standing in front of his art, has turned out to be my favorite, and eternally grateful for Geeta Ben for exposing us to the Bhavnagari artists. Thank you.
I'm Anil Relia, artist, art collector, and a curator also. I graduated from this college, Fine Arts only, Baroda, 50 years back. And now today I'm here for the opening of this wonderful show of Bhavnagar artists. I know Geeta Ben from many years, but it happened to me the first time because of this wonderful show happening today opening. Many of the artists from this show are very known to me. I'd worked with them, and even still there's an artist like Jyoti Bhatt or Khodidas Parmar, Somabai Saha or Bhavesh Jala. Personally, I met and worked with them, and I exhibited that thing also in my studio. Here you see the work are specifically a collection from the Gita Ben, who was very fond of Bhavnagar, and this show is in tribute to that thing. It is all her lifetime collection of Bhavnagar artists is at the display. So you can see the work start from the Ravi Shankar Rawal, Somabai Saha, Kumar Mangal Ji, and there are many more artists. Even Jyotibai, who is also part of the show also and who was also part of this inauguration, is also present. And the next month in Ahmedabad, in our gallery, we are exhibiting also the Jyoti Bhatt solo exhibition. So I would definitely advise all of you to come and visit this show. It's a wonderful show and wonderful experience of art.
I'm Kakoli Sen.
I'm Jitendra Singh Bhavani.
We're experiencing this wonderful collection of Geeta Ben. And it can, I mean, I know Geeta Ben personally, you know, we know both Geeta Ben personally. It's a wonderful collection. And we can see how much efforts must have been taken to do this collection.
And some of the work we are seeing the first time. And very inspiring, like I'm seeing such a master's artist, legendary artist, and it's a great work.
Radhe Radhe, this is Rutvij Mistry from the Faculty of Fine Arts. I am assistant professor at the Department of Sculpture, and today at the Faculty of Fine Arts exhibition gallery, this beautiful exhibition and exhibits of paintings of all the major artists from Bhavnagar has been displayed. If naming Shri Ravi Shankar Rawal ji and Somadal Shah, Jyoti Bhatt, and such kind of renowned artist work has been displayed. It is a private collection by Dr. Geeta Seth Bhatt, and I mean, being a Gujarati, being a part of the Gujarat genre, I feel so proud to see these collections because it's a private collection and such a huge amount of paintings has been displayed here. So, for the city of Baroda and for the citizens of Baroda, I will definitely say that you should come and see and watch this exhibition. The exhibition is for 2 days, today and tomorrow. That is for the 25th and the 26th, and the timing will be from 11 a.m. till 7:30 p.m. in the evening. So I would congratulate Geeta ji for this beautiful collection that she has collected, and so proud to have these artists of Gujarat from Bhavnagar city. The works has been displayed so vibrantly and so beautifully. Thank you so much. Thank you.